Okay, and the last part here then to 2010 is 8 part C, where we're asked to draw a clearly labelled diagram of the pH curve. So we have 50 centimetres cubed of NaOH being added. So I'm going to put that on my on my x-axis. So my volume of NaOH being added in centimetres cubed. And I'm told that I add 50 centimetres cubed. So 0, 10, 20, 30, 40 and 50. And as I add in that, my pH is going to increase. So on my y-axis, I'm going to have my pH. So always when you're drawing these curves, it's volume of your NaOH, if that's what you're adding, and then your pH on your y-axis. Okay. And then you're asked, draw a clearly labelled diagram of the pH curve you would expect to obtain when you titrate 0.1 molar of NaOH versus 0.1 molar of HCl. So just if we just write there what we're looking at, HCl versus NaOH. HCl is a strong acid and NaOH is a strong base. Okay, so pretty much my pH rise here is going to happen before 7, okay, so probably at about 5. And again, it goes, my vertical region is going to go the whole way up to about 11 or 12 because I'm titrating a strong acid versus a strong base. Now, just if I look here, I have 25 centimetres cubed of my HCl. So I have to find then 25 centimetres cubed of my NaOH. So this is 25 centimetres cubed here. So I'm going to have my vertical region pretty much the whole way up here. Okay, so that's going to be my vertical region. Okay, so from below 7 to about 11ish. And again there, all you're going to do is you're going to draw your lines here. Okay, and that's what you're looking at. Okay, so if you're looking here, what do you need? Axes labelled, okay, volume of NaOH versus pH. So your curve rising pretty much from, 5 or 6 all the way up to 11, and the rise has to be at 25 centimetres cubed. Okay, so that is your sketching of your curve for a strong acid versus a strong base. And finally then you're asked, explain by referring to the curve why almost any acid-base indicator can be used in the titration. The reason why is because pretty much all indicators, so most indicators, change colour within the pH range, i.e. the vertical region of the graph.